Alright guys, I know it's been a while, and I'm sorry, but guess what? I'm back. And of course, we're unboxing. What is good, family? It is Flacco here, back with another, it's been a while, another video. And like I said, today we're going to be unboxing the Adilette slides, which I think are phenomenal. But let's go into the controversy behind this. Kanye dropped something a while back where he was a little salty about these slides. But you have a partnership with Adidas. It's not like they're stealing your idea. They have slides, and their slides needed to be readjusted. So why not? Before we talk about it, let's go ahead and go into the unboxing. No, not the unboxing, the B-roll. I told you that B-roll was gonna be juicy. Taking a look at the shoe, it has like this rigid edge on it. It reminds me of like a reptile, like a rock with a reptile, right? Because the structure of it, I don't know where they came from with this design, but I like it. It's cool, it's different. Right by the heel, you'll see that it has the Adidas logo. If you go inside the sole of the shoe, which is the brim, you'll see that it has the sizing, which on these, there's no half size. Similar to the Yeezy slides, there's no half size. Either you get the size that you see, right? But I was able to pick these up for the good old whopping $55 from the Adidas website when they dropped. So I was super excited about it, that I was able to get it from the Adidas website. And I don't really think it's much hype about it, but there's going to be more hype about it since Kanye addressed this issue. More people want to get this shoe and see what the rave is. So these are the new hypebeasts, if I say so myself. But the shoe itself is comfortable. It's lit, it's clean. I appreciate you for watching. I appreciate you for coming back. I appreciate my day ones, but you guys are family. And like I said, I am here. I'm not going nowhere. I'm gonna drop more videos. Pay attention. I got new videos coming every week. And I also want you to stay tuned to these Flacco Fridays because I got a little something on my sleeve that I'll be creating. So if you like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, please don't forget, share this video. The goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by August 1st. So let's keep that going. Let's keep it moving. And I appreciate all my day ones and the new people that are here. I appreciate you, family. Flacco is out. I will catch you guys next video.